Hello everyone. So the Positive store was kind enough to send me some of their products, and in today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing all those products. Rest assured the review is very unbiased and is absolutely honest, so you can rely on my review for sure. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So the first product they sent is this Dream Believe Create planner, and oh my god, I absolutely love their packaging. It genuinely is a box of positivity. The cover, I believe, is very minimalistic yet very classy. As soon as we open the planner, the first thing we have is this postcard, which is super cute, an introduction page, and next we have an instruction manual on how to use this planner, which I believe is very thoughtful of them. A few pages dedicated to your goals, and then the best part of it, that is a sample for your reference. I think again very thoughtful of them. For someone who is just stepping into the world of journaling and planning, this sample actually takes you through that world and helps you understand how each title has to be filled in. The title includes a gratitude list, top goals for the year, to-do list, top priorities, water, exercise, meditation and visualization tracker, how do you feel today, that is your mood tracker, and your rating for the day. I love the fact that the details are not too much, not too less, so that this doesn't feel like a task every day, and all you have to do is spend 5 minutes filling all the details and you're good to go. At the end of it, we have a dot grid pages, which are very functional in case you want to scribble down your thoughts when your mind feels cluttered, and this makes it a complete package. The build quality is very good. The spiral quality is very good. It retails for 500, but you can always find it on a discount on Amazon. The next thing we have is my absolute favorite, and it's a habit tracker. 2020 made me realize that I really need to work on some of my habits and build some long-term habits in order to survive this world. Now this habit tracker is very minimalistic again. It is very functional, and I was blown away when I saw how beautiful it is from the inside. We have a postcard again that says attitude, super cute. The colors are very pastel and it's very aesthetic. If you don't know what actually a habit tracker is, all you have to do in this one is you have to write down the activities or the habits that you intend to build over the month, and then tick or cross them whenever you do or you don't do them. So if you're someone who really needs to build some long-term habits, then this is that one product that you really need to get. Now this habit tracker comes with a stand, a hard stand, so that you can keep it at the top of your table or your shelf or wherever you think it would look good. Along with the habits, we have a complete page dedicated to the goals of the month, and this comes along with two main titles, that is why do you want to achieve them and how would you celebrate once you achieve them, which I think is super important, because a goal without a why and without setting a reward is of no use. So very thoughtful of them for the third time. The pages have a glossy finish to them and the quality is honestly very good. So the last product we have is this set of 3 adult coloring posters. Now these posters are huge and I absolutely adore them. The quality of the paper is so good. You will have to use a very good quality marker in order to color them. The finish is glossy I absolutely love the designs. They're so beautiful, and once you're done with them, you can stick them on your wall and they will surely give a very happy vibe to your room. All the three designs are very beautiful, and oh my god, the quality that they maintain, I have to tell you guys, you need to try their products at least once. You can buy all these products from Amazon. I have the links of all these in the description box. Make sure you follow the Positive Store and my account on Instagram. Also, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great and a positive day ahead. Thank you. Bye.